Hi everybody, this is my version of 50 beer to CS5 game development. Uh, we have here the distance of the pipes and the height of the pipes with a math random. If I press P, I go to the pause menu and music stop. And if I press P again, the games resume. If I go higher than 5 in the score, like here, I have a prize. My prize here is a medal of bronze, and the code to make this is this one. Look, here is the math random of the distance of the pipes. Uh, Here, this is the math random to the spawn of the pipes. The pipes spawn to 2 seconds or 8 seconds, and that. And here we have the function of pause. Look here. If I press P, go the scrolling falls and stop the music. And if I press P again, everything resume again to the game. And here I have the math random of the height of the pipes, 90 to 150. Thank you so much and see you later. Bye.